Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is. I'm glad you're here. I'm going to do a little flip through today. Again, I kind of had mentioned it the last time that I did a flip through that I'd be doing some regularly to kind of show some of my other things that I have available as I add them to my Kofi shop. But I wanted you guys to be able to see kind of some of the things that I've made over the last couple of years. I used to do a farmer's market, and I used to sell quite a few of my items there regularly, but I'm not doing that anymore. So because I moved, and it's not a viable option anymore. So I have an online shop. You can also email me directly if there's something that you see. We can go about that way too. So anyway, these are some cute little journal like pocketbook journals, purse journals, travel journals, whatever you want to call them. And all of these ones that I have right now are from a botanical book. That's what the covers are made from. They're all from the same book. They had such gorgeous images that I just didn't want to break down to use in some of the other ways that I use things. So they all are closed with a giant paper clip, because I think it's a super simple, easy way to do this. And I think they're super fun. You could decorate them more, do all kinds of stuff. So front cover, back cover, they are 4 inches by 8 inches. And this is what they look like. So pretty simple. They have one pocket in them on the cover. The inside is from a rosemaling coloring book. So the insides of these are from a rosemaling coloring book. The outside is from a botanical gardening book. And then you'll get one of my handmade tags and one of my pockets. And inside you will find coffee dyed papers. And it's going to be a mix, some lined, some of my lace style papers. They are very plain for the most part. You might have one of these style that are from a stained glass coloring book, but mostly very writable pages. You can still write very easily, or you could turn them into the craziest, funnest little junk journal. Some of them might have a little tear because coffee dye is not, things happen with wet paper. I do my best, but my lace patterns on some of my coffee dye, some more of the lined, and then you can see some more of that rosemaling. I'll just show you another one really quick too. And probably what I'll do is I'll have these numbered. And this one I have the pin, or the, oh my goodness, brain. Wow. Paper clip. It's on this side, on this one. You can do either way. Do it on the top, do it on the bottom, whatever you want to do. Take it off, whatever. Some of them also might have eco dye in them. So there's that rosemaling again. And so the papers are glued together. And then I also have sewn around the edge several times, just in a kind of loose, wonky stitch. And this one has eco dye in it. So this one, it looks like it's all eco dye. Very pretty pages. So there are 4 sheets in these little, and then they're stitched on the sewing machine. That's how the signature is stitched in here. There are 4 sheets of paper, which gives you 16 pages in your journal. So, and here is the pocket on this one, and here's one of my really fun tags that goes in there as well, and that rosemaling. So super fun. No 2 of these are alike because it's junk journaling. Nothing's going to be the same every time. That's just the way it is. And then they each have one of these paper clips on them. So if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to hear from you. I hope you guys are, I just want to show you guys, this one is really cute. Because this one has this little things that are sticking out, some tags that we've made, and this is a double pocket, so it's got a back and a front here. Little doodly pocket there. So all the pockets are different. All the papers are different. Some have coffee, some have eco dye. So there you go. All right. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. And don't forget, art with your heart. Bye.